Hi, hey, hey. I got my hair today from, of course, and it's called Modern Show Hair. Yeah. And it came in this just like this. And with some rollers. And I got a 16, 18, 20, and 26. Okay. I'm just gonna show y'all all the hair. Yeah. I'm gonna start off with the 16, of course. Okay. I'm gonna pass the bag. And number. If I can open it. This is the 16.
Catherine, you are stunning because you have that iridescent face that can do.
It feels lovely. Oh my gosh. Okay, the ends on the 16. Sorry you see the reflection of the blinds on my face, but yeah. Here, let me. Look at him.
And I think that you should be a presenter. I'm serious.
Okay, but yeah, okay. This is the bundle of the 16.
You're gonna make them such amazing, fantastic people because you have that extra special something. So
It smells like. It smells like beauty supply store hair. And it's like. The ends are, I don't know if you can tell, but the ends are like brown. Like, I don't know, but it doesn't matter because I'm dyeing this hair anyway. So that was the 16. With the 18. Oh, a little snag. I think it's because it's curly. Okay. This is the bundle. Good night. My dog's whining, sorry. This feels like the. It also smells like beauty supply store hair. Look. Good night. Good night. Move. Move. This is the 20. This feels real good. Oh my god. This actually feels softer than the 16 and the 18.
So.
Oh my god. The 20 inch actually feels softer than the 16 and the 18. But the bundle is still good. Like, it's so thick. Oh my gosh. It's actually pretty long. Stop 20. 22. Looks so small right here. So stretch it. And this bundle was thick too to be a 22 Because usually it gets smaller and smaller the longer you get. But this is good. It feels good too. Let me see the nails. Yeah, it's like a, I don't even know if y'all could tell. It probably looks like black on camera, but it's kind of brown. Yeah, like it's kind of brown, but yeah. I'm probably gonna order some more. Well, probably gonna order one more. Not saying this is not enough because the bundles are good and thick, whatever. But I don't know. I'm probably gonna get a 24. Okay, but I'm gonna dye it. Yeah, purple and blue. I'm gonna bleach it and dye, and I'm probably gonna do a video of me doing that, and I actually might do that today. So yeah, I got a strand. You see it? But yeah, so yeah, this is the hair. It's nice to me. It feels good. The 20 actually feels really softer. I don't know why, but yeah. It's so beautiful. Like, just look at it. Lovely. And the bundle of the 22 one more time. Zoom in a little bit. It looks very nice too. Okay. Well, yeah, that's my 16, 18, 20, and 22. And I'll make a video of me dyeing it. And I have no makeup on my face. I just have MAC, what is it? Honey Love and Chestnut lip liner. And see you in my next video.